Hello and welcome to yet another exciting course. In this course, we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn how to tell a simple story using data. So before we dive in, a little about me. My name is Rakesh. In my day job, I work in the field of data science and analytics. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I like hiking, teaching, playing Xbox, photography, traveling, etc. I would love to connect with each and every one of you taking in this course, so feel free to connect with me through LinkedIn or my website. In the previous few courses, we talked about Introduction to Databases. We discussed absolute basics, how to install databases, write your first query, and then deep dive into the basics of databases. Then we moved on to advanced database concepts. We discussed some advanced querying techniques, and at the end of the course, you were able to write some complex queries and work on projects independently. Next, we learned data manipulation and loading, or also called as extract, transform, and load. We talked about some of the effective techniques to move data from one system to another and manipulate the data in between the transfer. We specifically used Microsoft SQL Server integration services. Now, let's discuss something exciting. Let's discuss some reporting techniques. Quite often, you must have faced a situation where you did an excellent job building your warehouses, but your management don't seem to use it effectively. I look at reporting as a way of telling a beautiful story. As an example, when your boss asks you, "How is our sales in Europe?" he isn't probably expecting a data dump or a query or a table output. What he is expecting is something like, "Sales in this year was good, except for 2 countries in Europe due to seasonality, and our overall Y2T sales looks like it's pretty healthy, especially when we look at a monthly trend." So he wants some kind of a story. So essentially in this course, we are going to learn how to use some of the tools to tell a great story about your data. There are various tools in the market: SSRS, Tableau, ClickView, Power BI, etc. We are going to look at SSRS in this course. I will definitely record some courses for few other tools as well in the near future. So, once our complete course is covered in this session and you are an expert in databases, moving data and telling a great story, what's next? I believe it's finding opportunities in your data, aka data science. We will cover that in a separate course.